Hello friends, today we are going to make table of 7 by the help of table of 2 and table of 5. So first of all we have to write table of 2. Then after we have to write beside table of 2 we have to write table of 5. And then after we have to do addition of table of 2 into table of 5. So we'll get table of 7. Let's see. 2 1 is 2 and there is 5 1 is 5. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Then after 2 2s are 4, like so. There is 5 2s are 10. So 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. Like so we have to do addition and then we'll find that automatically we got table of 7.